Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs. Today we have another unboxing and it's a professional tripod. Well, it says professional on the box, so it must be a professional one. I ordered this on Amazon, cost me $29.99 and it's from a company called YoTilon, and I'm not sure if I've pronounced that right, but that's what I'm saying, it's YoTilon, so probably a Chinese company. Anyway, it's a 49 inch, so it's not quite as tall as this one here. The one I'm currently using, and it's a little bit different to this one as well. On my on this tripod from Amazon Basics, which is very good by the way, it uses a supporting bracket which stops you opening your legs up too far. Well, this one, it will allow you to virtually lay it flat on the ground, so you can get down to really low levels if you need to. So, for instance, if I want to do something on my bottom shelving, or underneath my desk, this one will probably work better for me. So that's one of the reasons you might want to buy one of these. So with that, shall we get on with the unboxing? I'll leave the camera there for a minute. I've already cut the tape, just to save a bit of time. That way I don't have to use my knife. I need to get a new one. I keep saying that in my videos, but I will do eventually. So, oh right, it's a little leaflet here. It says thank you. And it's probably saying hello friends. Yep, hello friends. At first, thank you for your choice and trust. So it just says thank you on that side and a bit of information on that side. So I'm not going to bother reading that because we're interested in what's in here. So nice bag, quite sturdy. It's got one of them little tie things, you know, where you hold it down, you can. And then put it tight like so. Get that out of the way. So let's get her out. I'll move that out of the way. We don't want that in the way, do we? Let's get the thing out. I'll move the bag out of the way. I'll get the tripod out. Looks like instructions. So it comes with an Allen key and product manual. What's it say? Thank you for your choice of product. Before using a product, please read the following instructions carefully. Sorry about the cough. Well, I'm not going to read the instructions, even though I probably should. I'm going to have a look around the unit itself. So, usual thing, 3 legs, but like I said, it doesn't have the middle bit in it, so you should be able to lay it flatter. Have a quick look around. Quite nice colouring. What's that, bronzy colour? See that, bronze? It's got a bubble there, water bubble. Oh, and one on the leg. So I'm not sure why you want that one, but you know, perhaps I should read the instructions, but it's also got one on there as well. Look, compass numbering around the side there. And the Allen key is obviously if you want to take the legs off. Not that I'm going to anyway. So with that, I'll quickly open her up here, like so, and see what she can do. So you've got a little locking mechanism here, so that must be for the middle leg, so you can up it and down it, like so. It's got a ball joint in the middle, which goes up and down. So I'm assuming, yeah, you can turn it and drop it right down like so. Only in that gap, of course. But then you should be able to turn it left and right. Yeah, which you can. And obviously you can tighten it up to make it so it doesn't turn so much. There you go. So it's that one on the side. So yeah, not too bad. So this one does the ball. So you can tighten it or loosen it, so it's nice and loose there. Drop it down like so, tighten it back up again, yeah, makes it tight. This one here must do for the left and right, yeah. So if you tighten it up, it won't move. Right, it will move if you undo the old unit itself. We're not going to do that. So if you wanted to take this completely off, you can do. So if you want to put a gimbal on it, you can just undo the whole lot. Take that off and put a gimbal on there, which some people use, obviously. I haven't actually got a gimbal, perhaps I should get one eventually. And right, so what's that? What else does it do? Let's undo this a bit so that I can get round. You have two screws here. This one here, I assume is trying to do the plate. Yep, so that's loose. Oh, right, so you can take the plate right off. That's handy. And what's that one do then? Ah, right, so that does the handle. So if you want to release the handle, it does that. That's handy to know. Not that I'm going to be mucking about. So what we'll do now is I'll take my camera off of this tripod. I've got a quick release mechanism on now, but I don't think that will fit on now. It's different size, so I'm going to have to remove this. It's going to take me a couple of seconds. And use theirs, which is also a quick release, which I like. Just it makes it so much easier rather than using a screwdriver. So as that goes, I think that goes like that. Make sure it's nice and tight. And slide it on. Can't see that because my arm's in the way, sorry about that. Oops. Get out of the way. Right, do that up. Let's drop that down a bit, it's a bit high, isn't it? There you go, see, alright, there you go. And you should be able to get any angle you want. So that's nice and tight, that's holding that on, no problem. The ball joints, loosen it off a little bit. So if you want to look right down, you can. And that'll tighten it up so it won't move. Lift it up, turn it around, different angles, if you want to lean it left and right. Yeah, it works pretty well. And like I say, this one will allow you to turn it in a fixed position, which is quite nice. It's quite smooth. Yeah, really easy to turn. Of course, you have to adjust that. There you go, nice and tight again. So what I'll do now, I'll move the camera about and we'll muck about the legs, see what they can do. Right, hope you can see that okay. So what we do, we'll quickly undo all the legs. Right, so that's it fully opened. So it only does 49 inches, doesn't go any higher than that. As you can see, it looks okay. And like I said earlier, the benefit of this one, it doesn't have the bars that run across in the middle. So with that in mind, you can adjust it a bit more. If you notice here, there's these little pull-out things here, and you can pull this out, this one here, like so, to adjust the legs to different positions. So that's position, I don't know, 1, and then you've got position 2. I think that's it. So you can actually go like that if you wanted to. So, but we'll do it to the top position, which is there. Okay, we'll do that to all the legs. We'll see how flat she lays. Right, can you see that okay? So there you go. Gets really down low. You can probably go flatter just by undoing this middle bar and then dropping it down again. And also if you lift these little levers up so it rides over the top, you can go even flatter. So that's about as flat as it goes. So the legs are actually sticking up, but you can see it's pretty sturdy. And also you've still got all your adjustments as well, like your ball joint. And if you want to still look down or do it at an angle, whatever you want to do, it's all there. So it's pretty cool. And obviously you can shorten them legs as well. You don't have to run them fully out. I've just got them out just to show you how it all works. So put it back, push the little tags back in. So that's locked into that position. Like I say, you've got another position there. So you've got that position for longer legs, brings it down a bit further. Or that one there. Or like I say, you can go silly and do that. I think that's quite good. think it's well worth the money. Sorry about me sniffing, I've got a bit of a cold. Yeah, I quite like it. Very professional. So, you know, if I want to take something looking at the ground like a flower I'm looking down at, you know, you can move it about to get in the right position. And snap away. So that's it. So that's the unboxing of my new tripod from Amazon for $29.99. I will stick some links in the description in case you decide you want to buy one. If you have any comments or want to ask anything, please write in the comments and I'll try and answer them as soon as I can. So with that, thank you very much for watching, and if you like my video, give me a thumbs up, and if you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe.